Using social sourcing to attract top talent means empowering your employees who don't work in the recruiting department. After all, most of your employees are members of at least one of the big social networks, whether it be Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter, and they're using these social networks not just during work, but after work and on their smartphone. It's critical to start looking at your employees' connections as valuable recruiting assets, referrals that are just waiting to happen, waiting to fill your next important position. The problem is that traditional sourcing leaves most of these connections untapped. Referral programs alone only tap a fraction of these connections. Then when you post jobs, most of your employees' connections aren't actually proactively applying. Next, when you're out there mining databases or mining profiles on sites like LinkedIn, you're not always likely to get a response from these connections. The worst case scenario is when your employees' fantastic connections are out applying to your competitors. When you step back and look at it, you see that untapped referrals are the #1 missed opportunity in sourcing. A company with just 2,000 employees has 20 million connections, mostly untapped. But now there's a powerful solution called social referrals, a way to quickly alert employees to get them participating in making referrals, helping them use social networks to recommend jobs out to their connections so that you can sit back and watch the referrals roll in. It's an amazing opportunity, and it's broken down into 3 parts. Auto-targeting is used to engage your employees with no work by recruiters. An intuitive, easy-to-use interface means employees can make referrals even without logging in. And a seamless connection with Taleo means that you can record bonus payouts just like you always have and make sure that everybody gets their credit for using the system. After implementing social referrals, our customers have seen over a 100% increase in referral applications and over a 25% increase in hires tracked directly back to the solution. The impact on other sources has also been astounding. Boomerangs, career sites, and job board hires are also affected. The most important point about social referrals is the quality of candidate yielded. Your people refer good people, making referrals the #1 source of hire. 1 hire is typically made for every 10 referral candidates, making this a really efficient source for your recruiters. The next opportunity in social sourcing beyond referrals is called social job distribution. This means tapping fans and followers on Facebook and Twitter. Let's say you're a retailer called Retail Co., and you've got 13,000 plus fans on Facebook. You can look into it and see the demographics of your fan base, and if you do so, in your Retail Co., you notice that you have 1,800 plus potential candidates for a new store that you're opening in Sydney, Australia. Social job distribution unlocks the candidates hidden within this fan base. It helps you schedule targeted jobs to be posted periodically on the wall of the Facebook group or of your Twitter handle. Then, when your Facebook fans, for example, are interested in applying to a job, they can search through all your job listings and apply right from within the Facebook page without leaving the social experience. There's a huge value in all this. If you can create hundreds of thousands of jobs viewed in a year, you could save hundreds of thousands of dollars on advertising on aggregators and other third-party sites. Social sourcing is a holistic platform for all of your hiring needs, and it's pre-integrated and mobile-ready, unlike other point solutions in the social recruiting space. As a key piece of the Oracle Taleo puzzle, social sourcing helps you bring in the quality candidates that ultimately help you maximize your overall investment. And in terms of quality candidates, what could be a better opportunity than increasing referrals? And when you combine referrals with social media, can you think of any other source that should take a priority over social referrals? In conclusion, it's been said by the experts that social sourcing is a gotta have. Are you ready to learn more about Oracle Taleo social sourcing?